Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today we are finishing up the no color in December by doing a stamp and blend in the same color. For this we're going to be using the etched stamp set from Unity. Along with the Catching the Snow, we're using the Joy Sentiment. You will need an embossing pad along with black embossing powder. And then for the same color stamping, we'll use the Distress Oxides Salty Ocean with the Desert Night for the actual stamping. And then repeating the blending with Worn Lipstick, stamping with Coral Berry, blending with Twisted Citron and stamping with Olive, blending with Milled Lavender, stamping with Deep Iris. We're also going to be using a Misty and an acrylic block. To begin, we are going to place our cardstock that we're going to stamp on the corner of the Misty. Then using a scrap piece of paper, we're going to cover the quadrants, ink up with the different colors, and then remove the pieces of scrap paper. You want to use something with a straight edge, and you'll be able to see where you ended stamping from the previous color. And that makes it a really nice 4-color corners. We can leave it like this, but we won't. Next we're going to stamp the Joy with our clear embossing ink and then use black embossing powder and heat set. And that looks just really pretty. Now we're going to begin the actual blending of color over the same color we stamped on. We're going to begin with the Milled Lavender over that purple, move on to the green, which is that Twisted Citron, and you want to bring in that color from the corner towards the center of the sentiment. Repeating the same process with that pink and finishing up with the blue. As a finishing touch, I am using some clear sequins and just placing 2 to 3 per corner, and that just gives it a really nice little embellishment. And that does it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this No Stamping December series. If you have, please subscribe to the video or this YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.